Welcome. Today we're going to explore how to send a video with text on WhatsApp web chat on your PC with the latest updates. Follow these steps to seamlessly share videos with captions in your WhatsApp web chat. To begin, open WhatsApp web on your PC to access the web version. Next, open the chat where you want to send the video with text. Click on the plus icon within the chat window and select Photos and Videos from the options provided. Choose the video you wish to share from your computer files and click on the Open button to add it to the chat. In the caption bar located below the video, type the text you want to include alongside the video. Once you have entered your desired text, simply click on the Send button to share the video with text in the WhatsApp web chat. By following these simple steps, you can effectively enhance your communication within WhatsApp web chats by sharing videos with personalized captions. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. We trust that this guide has been helpful in illustrating how to send videos with text in WhatsApp web chat on your PC. Elevate your chat conversations by combining videos with customized text messages.